Meet my patient Jasmine, who just received an allogeneic therapy that cured her blood cancer. To deliver these cutting-edge therapies, biotechnology companies can partner with organizations such as FTI Consulting and TrakCel to navigate a complex supply chain and successfully execute 1. Order management, 2. Chain of identity, chain of custody, and 3. Logistics processes. From day one, FTI Consulting can help select the right ePortal system that allows physicians like myself to easily place, trace, and manage patient-specific allogeneic orders. FTI Consulting helps biotech companies invest in and set up the product tracking systems and controls, such as OCELLOS by TrakCel, needed to closely follow the manufacturing and delivery of each patient's treatment. And that's not all. FTI Consulting works with companies to implement temperature controls and cold chain management practices that protect cell viability and treatment efficacy. Looking to make success stories like Jasmine's come to life? With the right team, partner systems and organizations, and guiding expertise, your company can set their allogeneic therapy supply chain operations up for success too. Don't just keep up with the future of healthcare, lead it. Contact FTI Consulting and TrakCel to help set up and optimize your allogeneic therapy supply chain operations for success.